Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, we're diving into 10 exotic ingredients that will transform your cooking. Ready to discover new flavors? Let's jump right in. First up is teff, a tiny gluten-free grain from Ethiopia, packed with protein, fiber, and minerals. Use teff for injera bread, or add its nutty flavor to pancakes and cookies for a nutritious twist. Next up is black garlic, a fascinating twist on a familiar ingredient. It starts as regular garlic, but through a slow, weeks-long fermentation process, it transforms into something truly special. The cloves turn jet black and develop a soft, almost jelly-like texture. The flavor profile is completely different: sweet, tangy, and packed with deep umami notes, almost reminiscent of balsamic vinegar or molasses. You can spread it on warm toast for a unique breakfast, stir it into sauces to add depth, or even experiment by adding it to desserts like brownies or ice cream for a surprising complexity. Black garlic is a true game-changer for adventurous cooks, offering endless possibilities to elevate both sweet and savory dishes. Meet ajwain seeds from India, tiny but bold, with a thyme-like, peppery punch. Toast them in oil to unlock their aroma, then add to dals, breads, or snacks for a unique kick. Plus, they're known for aiding digestion. Amchur, or dried mango powder, brings a bright sour note to Indian dishes without extra liquid. Sprinkle it into marinades, curries, or spice blends for a fruity tang that wakes up any meal. Ube, the vibrant purple yam from the Philippines, is creamy, nutty, and subtly sweet. It stars in desserts like ube halaya, ice cream, and cakes, adding color and flavor. Ube makes every treat look and taste magical. Dulse is a red seaweed with a salty, smoky flavor. Pan-fry it for a vegan bacon crunch. Crumble over salads or add to soups for a boost of umami and minerals. Seaweed that tastes like bacon? Absolutely. Grains of Paradise, a West African spice, offers peppery heat with citrus and floral notes. Use it in meats, tagines, or even gin for a warm, aromatic twist. It's a spice with history and flair. Pandan leaf, Southeast Asia's vanilla, infuses dishes with a sweet floral aroma. Add it to rice, desserts, or drinks for a signature fragrance and gentle green hue. It's essential for that authentic Southeast Asian flavor. Yuzu, a Japanese citrus, combines grapefruit tartness, lemon floral notes, and mandarin sweetness. Its zest and juice elevate sauces, desserts, and cocktails with a bright, complex kick. Chefs worldwide love its unique flavor. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is celebrated around the world for its incredible nutritional benefits. Every part of this tree is useful, but the leaves are especially prized. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a true superfood. The leaves are carefully harvested, dried, and ground into a vibrant green powder. This powder can be easily stirred into smoothies, blended into juices, or steeped in hot water to make a nourishing tea. Its flavor is earthy and slightly reminiscent of spinach, but the real magic lies in its health-boosting properties. Moringa is more about supporting your wellness than adding bold flavor, but it's definitely worth discovering for anyone interested in natural nutrition. That's our tour of 10 exotic ingredients, each one with its own unique story, flavor, and culinary tradition. From the vibrant colors of dragon fruit to the mysterious aroma of black garlic, these ingredients can truly transform your cooking and inspire creativity in the kitchen. Are you feeling inspired and ready to try something new in your kitchen? Maybe you'll experiment with a tangy tamarillo salsa, or perhaps you'll add a pinch of sumac to your next salad for a zesty twist. The possibilities are endless. We'd love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which ingredient excites you the most, or if you've already tried any of these rare finds, share your experience with us. Or if you have your own favorite unusual ingredients, don't hesitate to share those as well. Your recommendations might inspire someone else to embark on their own culinary adventure. Thanks so much for watching and being part of our food-loving community. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures, tips, and delicious discoveries. We can't wait to explore more flavors with you next time.